Hi, my name is Kristen Zoyce, and my PE safety video is on La Petite Academy. They have programs all the way from infants up to school age program, and they have 5 different yards. One is for infants, the next one is for toddlers and twos. They have a backyard, they have one for preschool and pre-K, and then they have one for school age as well. So this is the infant yard. As you can see, it's not very large. There's not really many toys for the infants. The wall is a little rough, so we try to keep the children away from there. I would love to have some mats there for the younger ones to sit on. And you can't see, but in the next slide, you'll be able to see a gate dividing the infants and the toddlers in twos. So we're able to go out there at the same time without interfering with the different classes. So this is the toddlers in twos yard. This is one slide of two. This guy over here is the main play structure for them. Right here is some fake grass and the real grass. As you can see right here, there are some holes that need to be filled in. You can see it a little bit over here, that transition. In the summer, the play structure does get a little bit hot, so we try to keep them off of it or try to go in the later time of the day so the kids don't burn their little butts while going down the slides. Um, I do like this area over here because it is shaded with some trees, so that allows for the kids to be a little bit more comfortable. And the next slide, this is more of like the chalk area and playing with the cars, and you can see over here, this was the little gate I was talking about for the infant yard. There's plenty of space for the kids to play. The toddlers use it in the morning earlier, and then after the twos come out, so we're not intermixing the classrooms. And then when infants is able to come out of this door right here, they're able to enter their classroom outside right here. So this is the backyard. The backyard's not really used for many things. It's mostly used for water play when we want to do big activities and when we want to walk from early preschool to the preschool yard and all that fun stuff. This is supposed to be early preschool's yard, but they end up using pre-Ks and school age and preschool's yard. So this is pre-K and preschool's yard slash early preschool because they don't really have their own yard, so they all share, and we have a schedule when everyone can go out. We like to keep to the schedule so safety, so there's not too many children outside. Again, there's fake grass on the floor, so it does get a little bit hot in the summer, so we try not to go outside during the hot times of the day. I do really like that we have parking over here for the bikes. This allows for the children to park their own bikes, and we also, I don't know if you can tell, have a little racetrack around this point, so it's right here. This is a really fun because the kids love to do it, but it makes for kind of a scary situation sometimes when they want to go really fast. Um, yeah. So this is our school age yard. This is one of the bigger yards, but there's no grass. There's not hardly any places to sit. There's only one umbrella. They don't have much toys. They mostly like to play tag, so we try to join in and make it fun for them. I do wish that they did have some sort of turf that they could sit on instead of just having wood chips. They do have this little area over here where they can sit and do pretend, which is really fun. I've joined them a couple times. So my review and recommendations. For the infant yard, I would say more toys, mats so they can sit on. We're working on that right now. For the toddlers, fix the little grass holes and all the little things that they could trip on. The backyard, there could be more things that they could do. It could be, we could turn it into something really cool. Fix little grass holes as well. Um, Preschool and pre-K, they could get rid of the little, there's a little dirt pile right next to a tree back there. I forgot to mention it, but they could get rid of that so the kids aren't pushing the dirt onto the bike path, so it won't cause a little safety thing. For school age yard, they could get some more grass, some more age appropriate toys so they can have more fun while they are outside because you want to enjoy while you're being outside. And that's it. Thank you.